Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Welcome to Release Your Best. This is a space for you. But guess for what? Well, to release your best. And I say release because sometimes your best, your performance, your impact, or maybe just your well being can sometimes be stopped from being released by something somehow. It could be fear, stress, doubt, regret, anger, arguments, whatever that may be. It may prevent you from releasing your best. Also, sometimes releasing your best may be stopped by the lack of something, a lack of skill, a lack of confidence, a lack of awareness. And I would like you to realize that most things, if it's not all things in your life, they start with you first, with your mind, what you tell yourself, how you manage yourself, how you act, how you react, how you manage your relationship. And all that, that's in your mind. At Release Your Best, you're here to learn emotional intelligence. You'll find out what it is and how you can apply it in all aspects of your life. You also learn stress and management technique to manage that. Also, you're going to learn social intelligence, what some people call body language. Here it's called nonverbal communication. And here you will learn factual knowledge, method based on their results, framework based on their effectiveness. And maybe you still have questions, things you would like to know or understand. You can always schedule a one-to-one conversation where I can answer all your questions. And all that to release your best performance, your best impact, your best interaction with others. And I know this is a big promise, but rather than making you watch testimonials, you can go and find out for yourself. This is by reading articles, by watching the videos, but also listening to the podcast. And you can also just learn by yourself with the free course that's available here. It's an introduction on emotional intelligence and social intelligence. So you can just go now, learn, watch, listen, all that to release your best.